Finally mga boss, napagana ko na siya. Andito na siya sa aking most recent.
Hi, thanks for calling Solaris Incorporation. This is Alex. I can still get you set up for a free solar consultation or arrange a callback with one of our consultants.
Yeah, that's really nice. And yes, you heard it right. This AI agent took my entire week just to configure it. And it's now running and it's amazing. Let me show you. Okay, punta tayo dito sa Voice AI. And then here, agent list. Yan, makikita nyo, meron tayong 3 agent na available. Pero so far, si Miko pa lang yung functional na AI agent natin. Yan, makikita nyo rito, meron nang nakadedicate na number sa kanya. So, check natin kung ano bang role nito ni Miko. Yan, so here, ito yung pinaka-system instruction. So, napakahabang prompt nito. Very structured, very detailed. Pero hindi na natin i-discuss to. Explain ko na lang sa inyo ng mabilisan kung ano ba talagang pinaka-purpose nito ni Miko. You can see here, dito sa top left, title says, Miko After Hours. Explain ko na lang sa inyo sa Google ano bang ibig sabihin nitong After Hours, Miko After Hours. Okay, an After Hours AI inbound agent is an automated voice or chat system that answers customer calls, message, and inquiries 24/7. Pero hindi na natin gagamitin si Miko for 24/7 operation. Because here, dito sa deploy tab, makikita natin na pwede nating iset si Miko to answer inbound calls 24/7. And pwede rin tayong mag-customize ng schedule kung kailan lang siya pwedeng mag-answer ng inbound calls. Pero in my case, naisip ko na gamitin lang si Miko during business after hours. So pag ganon, magsiset lang tayo ng custom schedule. Let's say, ang business operation nyo is during 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So mag-i-start si Miko at around, let's say, 5 p.m. to 8 a.m. So yun na yung opening hours ng business. Pero dito, so Monday, isiset lang natin siya ng midnight. And then Tuesday, isiset natin siya ng 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. So yan. Delete, delete, delete. So bali parang magiging ganito ang custom schedule natin. And then depende kung bukas kayo during weekends. Yan, so bali parang magiging ganyan yung setup niyan. Pero since ide-demo ko sa inyo kung paano sumagot ng tawag si Miko, iset muna natin siya ng 24/7. Hit save. Now, tatawagan natin si Miko using Lead Connector app, but I want you guys to understand first that Miko is an AI voice agent for solar companies. Sasagot siya ng tawag at meron lang siyang 2 objectives, which are mag-offer ng appointment consultation, number 1. Number 2 is mag-schedule ng human callback. Okay, so para marinig nyo na, tawagan na natin si Miko, the handsome AI voice agent for solar companies. Andito na siya sa aking most recent.
Hi, thanks for calling Solaris Incorporation. This is Alex. We're currently closed, but I'm happy to help. What's your name?
Hi Alex, this is Kevin. So you're close right now?
Uh-huh. Yep, that's right, Kevin. Our team is out of the office right now, but I didn't want you to have to wait until morning to get some help. I can still get you set up for a free solar consultation or arrange a callback with one of our consultants. What's got you interested in solar? Just exploring, or are you pretty serious about moving forward?
Yeah, that's really nice. I just wanted to compare the solar pricing.
Uh-huh. Makes sense, Kevin. Comparing prices is definitely smart. Just so you know, the actual cost can vary a lot depending on your roof, your electric usage, and a few other things. Most homeowners' solar payment ends up close to or less than what they're already paying for electricity, especially after the 30% federal tax credit. The best way to get a real number is through a free assessment. Our consultant will look at your roof and usage and give you actual figures to compare. Would you like to book a quick consultation? Or would you rather have someone call you back at a time that works for you?
Well, that's great, but can we schedule a human callback like maybe tomorrow afternoon around 4 p.m.?
Absolutely, Kevin. So, tomorrow is Wednesday, August 12th. You'd like a call back in the afternoon around 4 p.m. Did I get that right?
That's right.
Perfect. So that's Wednesday afternoon around 4 p.m. I'll make sure our team has that and gives you a call then. Just so whoever calls you is prepared, could you share a quick idea of what you're looking for? Is it mainly pricing comparisons, or are you also curious about things like savings, installation, or incentives?
Yeah, I would like to discuss those as well with the real human tomorrow.
Perfect, I've got that noted. Someone from our team will reach out during that window. You're all set, Kevin. Someone from our team will call you tomorrow afternoon around 4 p.m. to go over pricing, savings, installation, and incentives. Is there anything else I can help with before I let you go?
That's all, Miko. Thank you.
Thanks, Kevin. Have a great evening. If you need anything else, just reach out.
So yun yung kabuuan ng conversation namin ni Miko. Inabot kami ng marang 2 minutes and 18 seconds. And parang iba yung sinabi niyang pangalan niya. Sabi niya, this is Alex. Yun. So ito yung pinakapangalan niya sa prompt is Alex nga. So hindi siya match dito sa title natin. Anyway, nakita niyo kung paano sumagot ng tawag ang ating AI agent na si Alex or Miko. And that's to give you guys a heads up. That's a real actual call that I showed you. So gumamit tayo ng actual or a real LC US phone number that I bought inside high level. Hindi natin ginamit tong web demo call. Bakit? Kasi kung mag-web call po tayo, hindi po gagana yung system action na tinatawag. Ito po yun. So dalawa po kasi yan. Ito pong web call and then meron din tayong phone call and then we can set this whether an inbound or an outbound. Pero sa demo natin kanina, gumamit po tayo ng lead connector app. So ano ba yung system action? Narinig nyo naman kanina during the conversation with Alex. Nag-request ako ng callback. So, callback from a real human. Ito po yung isa, yung appointment booking. So, ito naman yung custom action natin para sa human callback. So, ito yung parang pinaka-context ng conversation between AI and the caller para aware si consultant or si real human. Yan, makikita nyo rito, preferred day. So, ito yung araw kung kailan i-callback si caller. And then yung time, yung name ng caller, and then brief context. So, yung sinabi ko kanina na solar pricing comparison. Now, ito yung workflow na connected dun sa custom action natin. So, naka-inbound webhook siya. So, hindi na muna natin i-discuss to. So, i-check na lang natin kung na-implement ba yung context ng conversation during the call. Pupunta lang tayo dito sa contacts. So, ayan, makikita nyo dito yung information ng caller. And then, yung context ng conversation. So, ayan, makikita nyo may tag na callback requested. So, after hours. And then, when we scroll down, so, ito na yung pinaka-context. Callback preferred day, Wednesday, August 12. So, yan yung binanggit ko kanina, around 4 p.m. Call path taken. Wants to compare pricing, savings, installation, incentives, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so napakalupit. This is just one of many amazing features that high level has to offer na very, very helpful para sa mga business natin ngayon. Especially nowadays na talagang nagbo-boom ang AI. So, if you are a business owner and you don't take advantage of this kind of automation system, you might left behind. So, yun lang mga boss. Kung gusto mo yung mga ganitong klase ng content, you can just simply like and subscribe and comment ka na rin. Thanks for watching. Mga boss, kung gusto niyo palang makita kung ano yung naging actual journey ko during setup nitong AI voice agent natin na si Miko, you can simply comment sa baba. And I will create a more comprehensive video about this AI voice agent. Ayos?